In a quiet village nestled between fog covered hills, an old woman named Alara was known for her peculiar garden. It was said that each plant had a story, each flower a secret. Villagers often whispered about the strange lights that flickered in her garden at night, but few dared to approach. One evening, a curious young man named Theo decided to investigate. As he crept through the garden gate, the air grew thick with an unusual scent like a blend of rain and forgotten dreams. The moonlight revealed vibrant flowers that shimmered with an otherworldly glow. As he wandered deeper, Theo stumbled upon a patch of luminescent blue flowers. They seemed to pulse, drawing him closer. Suddenly he heard a voice, soft and melodic, waving through the leaves. Help me, it whispered, as if carried by the wind. Theo looked around but saw no one. The voice urged him again, and he realized it was coming from the flowers. He knelt down, touching one of the petals. In an instant, he was transported to a hidden realm, a place filled with swirling colors and echoes of laughter. In this magical world, he met a young woman trapped in a shimmering web of vines. I am bound by a curse, she explained. Only the heart of someone truly curious can set me free. Determined, Theo faced the challenges of the enchanted realm, solving riddles and overcoming illusions. Finally, he reached the heart of the web, where a single blue flower bloomed. He plucked it gently and offered it to the woman. As she accepted it, the vines shattered like glass, and she was freed. Thank you, she said, her eyes brightening. You have broken the curse. Now my spirit can return to the garden, and I can watch over it forever. In an instant, Theo was back in Elara's garden, the morning sun illuminating the now ordinary flowers. He felt a warmth in his heart, knowing he had changed something fundamental. From that day on, the garden flourished more than ever, but no one knew the true magic behind it.